Hey YouTube scrappers, happy Wednesday. Oh, let's see what we can find that's in an oven. I gotta go get a couple other things. Just a second, let me get really organized here. So yeah, let's see what kind of goodies we can get out of an oven. I gotta get a Robbie, I think. I guess you can still use a Phillips for a Robbie. I gotta go get the right bit. Just a second. If you don't have a bucket, you can always get a laundry basket. I just cut these wires off because there's not a whole lot in the switches. And if you wanted to, you could take the switches out and the reason I pulled these is because they got brass on the ends. So. And I don't usually take this all apart. I just cut them right here. Same way with all these. Not a whole lot of wire, but as you can see, I already cut the thing off of that, the cord, so there's wire. if you want to, there's a motor right here. You can probably get copper bearings for that motor. There, little motor in there. See what's under here. Shred. That goes into the oven. Oh, I need one of my good tools from that wannabe scrapper told me about. A magnet. Just 1 second. Don't want to forget your magnet from your microwave. I'm glad I just watched his video, because let's see, that's just say that and tell me it's shred. So now there's a circuit board. Take that out more or later. Pry this out later, but it's got copper. These have little pieces of copper in it. It's just a low grade board, not much there. I guess there's a second board there, isn't there? That's just garbage. Yeah, I'll have to take that off. But that's about it for stove. This stuff here is just shred. So then what I do with the stove is, don't want to lose my bit. Now I use it as a dual purpose. So we take our tool again, our magnet. Yeah, sometimes they're aluminum, but that one's sticky. Take this out. I use this and fill that full of shred. Little stuff. And then I open this up. And I'll fill this full of shred. But the other thing I'll do is the element. My yard has a category for elements. I get a little bit of, I think I might be able to get a little bit more than shred price for the elements. And it only takes a few seconds to take it off. There's an element. And then I'll fill this full of shred and have another spot for shred. And that's what's in an electric oven or range or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I always get so much a pound for these. Aluminum. So I don't know if any of your guys' yards will do that, but mine will. So that's why I save them. Anyway. Like, subscribe. This one's going to be about the same. Just going to take the back off, take some wire out, and then flip it on his back and use that for shred. Well, everything's starting to get a little bit more noticeable here. More microwaves, more magnets. Anyway, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.